Krishna. Welcome back to this series of discussing Bhagavad Gita. So today we shall be discussing the last verse of the 12th chapter, text 20th. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Chalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So the text 20th is Yetu dharmamritam idam yathoktam pariupasate Shraddhana mat paramam bhaktaste ativame priyam. Those who follow this imperishable path of devotional service and who completely engage themselves with faith, making me the supreme goal, are very, very dear to me. So, here Krishna is concluding this chapter by summarizing. He already described all the qualities of a devotee. Here in this verse he is summarizing the chapter. That those who follow this imperishable path of devotional service and engage themselves with faith, making Krishna as the supreme goal, such people become very dear to him. So, with faith means what? With faith means whether, the things are going as per my wish or things are not going as per my wish. Practically everything is going kind of reverses in life. Still a person with faith continues, keeping Krishna as his supreme goal of his life. So this is actually a very crucial and important principle. In pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srivas Thakur, who was actually very intimate associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was a householder. Srivas Thakur had three brothers, Sri Ram, Shripati, Srinidhi. He had his wife, he had family, big family he had. But Srivas Thakur never had a job or any profession or business. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one time he asked Srivas, you have such a big family to maintain, and I don't see you engaged in any business or any profession. So how are you going to maintain your family? Now Srivas Thakur, he responded saying 1, 2, 3. He clapped 3 times and he said 1, 2, 3. Lord Chaitanya said, Srivas, I asked you some question. How are you going to maintain your family and you are saying 1, 2, 3? Could you please explain this? What does it really mean? And Srivas Thakur said, my dear Lord, I have taken a vow. This is my resolve or resolution. If I have to go hungry for 3 days, if Krishna does not provide me food for me and my family for 3 days, 3 consecutive days, then I will drown myself in Ganga. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Srivas, what did you say? That if Krishna does not provide you for 3 consecutive days? I have made this resolve. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Supreme Lord, he said, I have my resolve that even tomorrow the time comes when Lakshmi Devi has to take a begging bowl in the hand and go from door to door begging. Still, in such a condition, you will always have ample supply in your home, always. So this was the faith of Srivas Thakur. And this was the assurance of the Lord to Srivas Thakur. A devotee of the Lord never has to worry about upkeep of his body. Because Srila Prabhupada would often give example that in African jungles there are hundreds and thousands of elephants and other animals. Especially elephants eat so much of food, and one time they can eat probably 100 pounds or maybe few hundred pounds of food they can eat every time, and yet they don't go hungry. They don't go to do any job, they don't do any business or enterprises, but yet they have sufficient food to eat. They are strong and stout. So by nature's arrangement, every living entity is supplied. So why is it that Krishna's devotees will not be supplied? So the devotee has that firm faith in Krishna, that Krishna will supply or provide everything for my need. And with this, Krishna actually summarizes this chapter. But one thing we should remember, that these qualities that Krishna mentioned in these few verses in the 12th chapter, these qualities alone do not satisfy Krishna. Rupa Goswami says in Padyavali, Bhaktya tushyati Krishno na gunai. What satisfies Krishna, not these qualities, not these gunas, which were described by Krishna. It is bhakti, the sentiment of loving devotion to the Lord. That is what Krishna is satisfied with. That is what makes a person very, very dear to Krishna, as Krishna mentioned in these verses. So this is some and substance of this verse, and this is the conclusion of the 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.